Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video to share with you, and I have got Roccabox, and this is the March box. So Roccabox is a UK only monthly subscription box, and inside contains between 5 to 7 beauty products, and they range from hair care, makeup, skincare, nails, and we've had shower caps and hair supplements as in last month's box. It's all beauty related, but it's a good mix. If you're interested in seeing what past boxes have been like, they do have pictures of them on their website, so you're able to take a look there. And they offer a monthly rolling subscription which costs £10 a box and £3.95 postage and packaging, and they also have a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. They also do limited edition boxes for £10 and £3.95 shipping on the box, and I took one out last month, so if you're curious in seeing what I received to get an idea of the items, then I'll pop my last video down in the description, and also links to this website. Plus I have a discount code to share with you which entitles you to 20% off your first box. It's not affiliated to me, they just reached out to me this week asking if I'd be interested in giving you lot a discount, so I thought yeah, okay, fine. That's great, brilliant. So there's a 20% discount, plus I believe if you're a student you can have a discount as well. So all links and everything I'll pop down below in description. So underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it. So let's get on to showing you what I got inside March's box. I've got a little leaflet here and it tells me everything about the products inside this box, plus it gives me the price as well, so I'm able to tot it up and give you a final value at the end. So this is what it looks like. I'll just get rid of this first layer. Woo! How many items we got there? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 items this month. It just says here, this month is extra special as it marks our 3rd birthday, and to make this special occasion we want to celebrate all the amazing women who have made it possible. Mothers, sisters, friends and female girl bosses, we couldn't do it without you. So to say thank you, we've gathered up some of our favourite must-have hero products for you to try in this month's box, and then it goes on to telling you about the products. I signed up to Roccabox exactly 3 years ago. I signed up for their launch box, and gosh, I can't believe how fast the years have gone. But yeah, I stayed with them for a whole year, and then I decided to take a break. I just felt that they were just a little bit repetitive. I just fancied a change, so I took a year off in between, and then a lot of you started messaging me saying, Claire, have you ever tried Roccabox, or are you going to try Roccabox on your channel? I'd love to see your thoughts and to see what you think of it and the products and stuff. So I decided to bring it back to my channel. So I've been receiving it now since December, so not long, only a couple of months. But anyway, so let's get the first item. And we have got a hair product, and this is by Umberto Gianni, and this is a banana shea butter, coconut oil, kapuaku butter. Repair, restore, leave-in conditioner for naturally curly and super curly hair. Gorgeous packaging, really lovely packaging. But yeah, this is full size, 200 mils. Now I've had this before and it smells, oh my gosh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it just smells like banana milkshakes. That's what it smells like. Haven't got naturally wavy hair. This is poker straight hair with a bit of a twist in today. A bit of tongs there, but I've just been caught out in the rain, so it's a little bit flat. But anyway, so this would cost you £9. It says here, I apply mine to wet hair before blow drying, and it leaves my hair looking seriously silky. Then when my hair is really in need of some R&R, I dilute some in a spray bottle with water and spritz my ends throughout the day. Flawless looks in seconds. It smells gorgeous, it looks gorgeous, but I'm going to give that to my daughter. She has got naturally wavy hair, so she will benefit from it more than me. She got a hair conditioner. Next we got a bottle of something. This is by Bumble Zest. It's chamomile, lavender, spirulina. It's half a lemon, mint, cinnamon, Himalayan salt, drop of maple, vegan friendly and only 50 calories. And it's to calm and comfort. And it got 60 mils there, so it's a drink. It's a bonus treat inside this box, and to buy it will cost you £2.40. It just looks like paint water. You know, if you've been painting or your kids have been painting and they dip the brush in the water and then go back to the paint, well, you know what that water looks like at the end of the session. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells lovely though. It smells really nice. Ooh. That is really nice actually, it is really nice. I think the mint, lemon and cinnamon comes through the most, but that is really nice and refreshing. I really like that. So there's that. Next we got a Smashbox Primer. This is a little sample of their original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I'll just show you the outer packaging. I've had this before and it's lovely. It is really nice. So there. I think it's 7 mils, 7.1 mils. It says this clear gel is the first product ever created at Smashbox. We developed it to help makeup look better and last longer. It instantly blurs fine lines and pores, blend of vitamin A and E, grapeseed extract and green tea, lightweight and oil-free for all skin types. Smooth over clean and moisturised skin. I love Smashbox Primers. I've got a few of them. I put it over my middle area to disguise pores. I don't wear it anywhere else on my face. It's just mainly here, just to sort of blend in my pores, make them less visible, but I really do like it. This says it's a deluxe sample and it's worth £6.63. The full size is £20 odd, but I know you can get like the travel size version for about £10, something like that. So yeah, so we got a Smashbox Primer. Next we got a product by Huda Beauty, and this is a lip contour in shade Wifey. That's a gorgeous shade. I'm not sure if I've already had it or not. I'm not sure, but I love this colour. Oh, if you notice, one hand looks tanned and the other's not. It's just because I did another unboxing before this video and I completely forgot to wash my hands. But yeah, look at the difference in that. It is gorgeous. Really lovely. So a nice nude there. So this is full size and the recommended retail price is £18.61. These are perfect on all skin tones. Trendsetter is a gorgeous nudie brown and Wifey is the ultimate dusky pink. So you'll get either Wifey or Trendsetter. And it says they're super hydrating and they won't dry your lips out. So you've got a lip liner by Huda Beauty. Next we've got a product by Murad, and this is a Retinal Youth Renewal Serum. And we've got 5 mils here. I love this brand, I absolutely love them. They're quite an expensive brand, so when I can get their products in subscription boxes, I am really, really happy. But yeah, Retinal Youth Renewal Serum. So this is a deluxe sample and it will cost you £12.50. This serum is renowned for its seriously dramatic effects on visible signs of aging. Packed with retinol, it instantly brightens and smooths skin, helping you to fake a good 8 hours of beauty sleep in seconds. Smooth a thin layer over the face before you moisturise for a seriously luminous complexion with minimum effort. So you've got a retinol serum. And lastly, we've got a face mask, and this is by OK, and this is a gently warming facial steam mask, and it clears pores, and it's made in Korea. I haven't tried this one. I've tried a few from this brand, but I haven't tried this one before. Ooh, a steam mask that clears pores. Does it say anything about it here that I can tell you? In pictures, up the top there, to wash your face, apply it, wait 10 to 20 minutes, peel it off and wash your face again, I think. Normally it tells you in English. I can't see English though. So this is full size and it'll cost you £6. Apply it when you're in the bath or shower. Not only is this super indulgent Sunday night essential, it draws all the dirt and toxins from your skin and opens your pores so they're more receptive to the rest of your skincare routine. I love the sound of that. So there's all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll come back to you. So these are all the products inside Roccabox March Beauty Box. The box comes to £13.95. That includes shipping, and the value comes to around £55. Now I think there's some lovely items in there. I love this drink, really, really lovely. So I'm going to give this hair conditioner to my daughter because it doesn't suit my hair. Love, love, love these products here. Love them. I've tried these before, so I know I like them. I'm sure I've had this before. I'm not too sure. Maybe I've had Trendsetter, but I really love that colour. That is a stunning colour. And yeah, this mask sounds a little bit different, which I really like. So overall, I'm really chuffed. I think it's a really nice box this month. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you subscribe to Roccabox? Are you really excited to get these items? If you're watching this video before you get your box, all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.